Measuring your doors is easy. Firstly, always measure the backs of your doors. Measure to the nearest 1/16 of an inch. Measure twice to make sure you've got it right. If you measure the front, features like rounded or profiled edges may give you inaccurate measurements. Make sure you measure the doors themselves and not the cabinets. This method works for any kind of door you need to replace: kitchen cabinet doors, closet doors, and drawer fronts. You can find more step-by-step guides to measuring, fitting, and adjusting your doors by subscribing to our YouTube channel. Ready to place your order? Visit our website or give us a call.